Hello everyone. These days, n8n is getting a lot of hype in the market, and if you haven't started using it yet, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll learn how to set up n8n locally on your laptop or PC, in just 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, go to the official website, n8n.io. On the top menu, click on Docs. Then open the Hosting n8n section. Here, you'll see installation methods, npm and Docker. In this video, we'll use the Docker method. Click on Docker, and before we continue, check if Docker is already installed on your system. If not, click the Docker link to visit docker.com. And download Docker Desktop according to your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll download the Windows AMD 64 version. The download might take a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can explore the n8n website or its GitHub repository. You'll find some amazing example workflows there. Once the download is complete, go to your Start menu, search for Docker Desktop, and open it. If you're opening it for the first time, you'll need to click Agree to accept the license agreement. After that, Docker will finish setting up and will be ready to use. Now, on the left side, you'll see 3 tabs, Containers/Apps, Images, and Volumes. This is where we'll do all the setup. There are 2 ways to install n8n using Docker. One is manually through the Docker Desktop interface. And the second is using the command line, which is much easier and faster. We'll use the command method in this tutorial. Open your terminal. I'm using PowerShell. First, create a volume by typing the command docker volume create n8n_data. Next, we'll create a container. Since I'm using PowerShell, I'll remove the right slashes, / from the command. You'll also need to set your time zone to Asia/Kolkata. But you can check other time zone options from the documentation if needed. Now, copy and paste this command. After you run this command, wait for a few seconds. It will take some time to complete the process and start the container. Once everything is done, open your browser. Localhost 5678 in the address bar. And that's it. Your local n8n dashboard is now ready. When you open it for the first time, it'll ask you to set your name, email, and password. Enter the details, and your local setup will be ready to use. You'll also receive an email with a license activation link. Just click on that link to activate your license automatically. Now you can start creating workflows. Connect your favorite APIs. And test simple automations. Everything runs locally, safely, and completely free.